Hello students, let's do the Hide-a-Way Hydrant. Match the given lines to the equations that graph them. Okay, so here we have a couple of graphs. This is going to be really easy to figure out, everybody. So I'm going to draw right on the picture here. I'm going to kind of weed them out by their y-intercepts. So here we have a y-intercept of -2. Here we have a y-intercept of -1. Here we have a y-intercept of 0. And then we have a y-intercept of +1. So just by looking at the y-intercepts, I can probably weed out the ones that don't work. So let's go to the equations. Here we go. Y equals 3x plus 1. So there's your +1 y-intercept, -1. No y-intercept, -2, +2, -3. I don't even need to compare their slopes. I can weed these out based off the y-intercepts. Okay, there are no y-intercepts +2, so you are nothing. So you are one of those not a graphed option. Here we go, C. And then we have a y equals 2x minus 3. -3, yeah, there's no -3 y-intercept, so you're also one of those no graphed options. All right, cool. Let's move on with our lives. What do we got here? All right, 3x plus 1. So what's +1? Is that the black line? Okay, so the black line, there you are. Black line. Match it that way. Here we go. -1. -1 is the yellow line, or orange line, excuse me. Yeah, that's orange. Orange line is U. Okay, put a B right there. All right. No y-intercept. Now it has a slope of 2. How can you check? 1 to the right, change in height. Look at this. Over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2, over 1, up 2. So if you wanted, all of the equations had different slopes. Slope of 3, slope of 1, slope of 2, slope of 1/2. So you could break them down by their slopes, but to me, having 4 different y-intercepts is going to be a pretty easy way to decipher the code, if you will. All right, so let's see here. We have purple and green left. Let's see. Green is the -2. Okay, so green is U. So you're E. And then I have not already used U a couple times. So U would be the purple line. All right. Not too bad, everybody. So again, looking at a graph and then trying to identify the numbers that tell the story in the equation. Here you can actually see the numbers that tell the story, but the picture is where you physically need to find them. Okay, so the y-intercept is pretty easy to see. Y-intercept, 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 y-intercept. Then also slope, 1 to the right, change in the height. Hey, this one's got a slope of 1. 1 to the right, change in the height. Hey, it's got a slope of 2. 1 to the right, change in the height. Hey, look, that's got a slope of 3. Okay. Green one, over 2, up 1. Oh, there we go, quarter point to quarter point. Up 1 over 2, rise over 1. Oh, you got a slope of 1/2. Boom. That's how quickly you can do it too, my students. All right, so that's the Hide-a-Way Hydrant.